The new McLaren GTS joins the Woking brand's lineup as a replacement for the outgoing GT model. Visually, it looks more aggressive courtesy of tweaked front and rear bumpers with larger intakes and outlets. The styling enhancements are functional, allowing greater airflow into the twin-turbo 4-liter V8. That engine now produces 635 horsepower, 15 more than before. Combined with the GTS weighing just 3,351 pounds, it boasts a segment-leading power-to-weight ratio of 418 horsepower per ton. As a result, acceleration is quicker. 0 to 124 miles per hour now takes 8.9 seconds versus 9.5 in the GT. Top speed remains 203 miles per hour. The GTS uses the same carbon fiber MonoCell chassis as other McLarens. Composite construction keeps weight down, while adaptive suspension with proactive damping control promises both supercar driving dynamics and long-distance ride comfort. The steering system and brake package are also bespoke to the GTS. While based on the GT, visual changes give the GTS a more assertive appearance. New trim finishes available include gloss black exhaust and mirrors. The cabin features richer materials than before, and the option of new performance or luxury-focused trim specs. Cargo space is class-leading at 420 liters behind the seats, supplemented by 150 liters under the front hood. The new GTS starts at $245,000 in the United States. That's almost $20,000 more than the outgoing GT. However, extra standard equipment plus the performance hike help justify the price bump. If you want McLaren everyday usability with increased driver engagement, the sharper GTS neatly splits the difference between the GT and more hardcore models like the 600 LT. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.